Hey guys, it's me, Hannah, and right now I'm going to draw like this drawing, and I'm going to only draw 4 pictures. So the last video I tried to do 15 minutes was over, so I did the head, but 15 minutes has been over, so I have to do another video again. So we were on the nose, so there. Okay, so now it's time to do the neck. Alright, so that's how I did it. And now let's do the clothes, yeah. I'm almost done, guys. So this is how I gone through the clothes so far, and let's just finish it on. Alright, now it's time to do the sleeves. Oh yeah, and I forgot to show you. This is how it went, and let's do the sleeves. Alright, so I'm not done yet. There, now I'm done with the one sleeve. Now it's time to do one more sleeve. Okay, now it's time to do the hand. I already done the other hand, so yeah, you heard that right? That was dog, not a bear. He's barking. Okay, now it's time to do the legs. Wait, no, the skirt. I almost forgot about it. This is the skirt. A unicorn skirt. You can't see it. Okay, so I already started on the skirt, so let's just... There! I'm done with the skirt. Okay, no, I'm not. I lied. Okay, so now I'm done. Now it is time to do the legs. Yay, finally. The night cat song! How you hear the night cat song? Yeah. Guys, comment the like button if you hear the Nine Cat song. I'm not done yet. Okay. Well, I'm not done with both the legs yet. I'm just need to do one more leg. There, I'm done with the one leg. Sorry guys, I'm doing the hair again. There.
I
think
like
that's
my
done.
and I get home.
I really like it.
Have
You already said that. Oh yeah, I don't know how to do the glasses. I don't want to do the glasses, okay? I don't need to do it.
How you're not gonna be able to do?
Alright, so I'm done, and this is how it came out. I really like it. So let's just go on the second drawing. Oh yeah, I forgot. So I guess we're going to have to only do 2 drawings today because I forgot that marker goes through paper. So I'm going to go choose my other drawing right here and right now. Did I just? I dropped the mouse. That was my birthday. Hey, look, it's Ryoko. Still looking. It's Cass. Make sure to check out his videos too. Me and Cass with the French fry on his face. Okay. I can't seem to find a picture. Ouch. Just poked myself. Where's that picture that I was going to do? Oh, yeah. Okay, so this is going to be the next picture. Sorry it's blurry, guys, but this is Ryoko with her dog and me sitting next to her on the bench. Oh, I remember this. Oh, I missed this place. I think I want to do the background, but not right now. Okay, so let's start with Ryoko's hair. Did you guys just hear that? Oh, because I'm touching something. Okay. Oh, come on. Why do I keep clicking a button? Okay, so I'm done with her hair. Hold on, I lied. No, I'm not. Okay, now I'm done. Alright, so now I'm done. Now it's time to do her face. yeah, her face. So let's start with that. Ryoko is older than me. She's 9. So, yeah, she's 9. No, not 9, 10. I'm 7. So, yeah. Alright, now it's time to draw her face. I'm going to show you her face when I'm done. Okay, let me go get that.
Okay, got it.
Oof. Okay, now it's going to do her neck. Now I'm done. I gotta do her dog first. I'm sorry, guys. Her dog looks horrible. Oh my god. This? What is that? What is that? What is that? No. Take it. Oh my gosh, no! Guys, I'm a Cass, stop. Stop. Cass! No. Cass! No, look what you made me do!
What does it taste like?
Okay, guys, I have to go wash my hands before it dries. Oh, I'm so sorry, guys. I forgot to pause the video. Alright, so now I'm back. It's time to go draw her. Okay. Oh my gosh, this is... Oh my gosh, what am I doing? Oh god, this is... Guys, this is such a big fail, so I'm done. Like, look at this. Oh my gosh, I'm just going to draw this, the whole entire thing, until I'm done. Okay, guys, until I'm done.